Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with the Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on higher time frame, the bullish count that we've been tracking is pretty much this. In this one we have wave 1, 2 and this would be the wave 3. We have divergence between all these peaks, so that makes sense that this is a high of something. It is possible that this is also a wave 3, although at that point again we have gone beyond the 1.618, which is again making this wave C would be very extreme. Since the highs here, we talked on the previous videos at the possibility of this being just a three-way correction here. Downwards or even like that, and then another three-way, and then again depending on how much we retraced on this second wave, we could be having that third wave downwards a lot more. However, now it is looking like we are going to be reverting down much faster, and we're going to be looking at this previous wave 4 as going to be the support area. Now let's take a look closer on what we see here. So we were discussing about this possibly being a three-way move like so. However, there was possibility on, especially I think it was Dow Jones, where we had this more looking like a five-way structure. It is possible here as well. We do have that divergence happening as well, creating this possible five-way move here. And then we would have some kind of three-way move here. This is very weird and very ugly, this wave 2. Can't really change it much, but again, that's how it is if we want to be playing this 5-wave. We have now gone beyond the 1.618 here, which was around $4,189, and now we are still going through this area that we were talking about. Now we still have this fair value gap here that until we are getting acceptance into it, this is going to be acting as resistance. So we'll see if we can get there or not. This is more and more likely to be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 at the moment, and then we would be getting a three-way pullback and another 5 ways down here. This would make it better looking overall on higher time frame to get us this similar size to this wave 2 over here for this possible wave 2. However, we wouldn't have a proper looking divergence at that time. If that would happen, or not divergence, alteration, at least, because these both would be very sideways. Of course, this would be a WXY here, although this definitely has a potential of having 5 ways here as well. But this mess, I think we had a FOMC or some CPA data or something causing all these these scam wicks basically here, ruining the count of a good look, or right look. So yeah, that's why I've labeled it as a WXY. But yeah, when that happened, we were talking about that structure as well. Now, I'm still expecting this again, having this pump up higher whenever this is ready. On higher time frame, we don't have any divergences here at the moment anymore, as these divergences have been erased. So it is possible that we are still going to go on this third wave and then looking for that divergence against the price here on RSI, of course. So at that point, I would be still looking for possible long setups. At this very moment, I am still not looking for long setups. I'm not going to go and play this fourth wave unless I see a good looking, three-way structure here, like so. And then I could be taking another short possibility here with the trend that is downwards at the moment. Again, with the 5, we would be expecting that divergence against the third, and also we would need to get a 5-way structure from the 4th. And of course on lower time frame have this divergence between this third wave and 5th wave. So those would be the confirmations that we would be looking at. At the moment we don't really see too good of a structure in here, so I'm not tracking this fully. I'm just looking at overall structure here. But yeah, that is pretty much all my expectations for the next day or two. We'll see how it turns out. Of course, we can just dump downwards even more, and yeah, that can happen. But that's pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Links to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.